Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove special offers in your listing on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So after you log into your profile, all you need to do now is to go to your listings. So you need to click on your profile picture and then you will click on manage listing. So after you click on it, you will find this view. You go to menu, listings, and here you will find all your listings, and you click on the listing that you want to modify, and then you will search for pricing and availability. And basically here you will find the pricing and the listing currency, etc. But what we want is the discounts. Those discounts are the special offers that you have on your listing. So basically all you need to do, you will see if you have any discounts, and you will click on it, and as you can see, those are like the special offers that you can do in the special prices that you are offering for your listing. So basically all you need to do is to remove the special offer that you have, and then you will click save, and you will have all your special offer that will be denied or that will be removed successfully. And of course if you have like instant book off or any other additional charges or any other pricing, you can just remove them to remove your offers. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.